Hi, mate. I'm doing a very quick review of my new thing. Yes, guys, I got my tank there. Battle droids, 2 Navarians and 2 Magna Guards talking to them. So that's cool. Got a pilot droid talking to 2 battle droids. Six battle droids on the tank carrier. There, got my stats. It's pretty cool. All of my other droids. Yeah. Well, they're not droids. Over here, we've got Obi-Wan Kenobi, who's about to kill all those battle droids there. Clone jumping in the air, and that's over. Here we've got Mace Windu and Count Dooku fighting. Got my gunship. 2 clones in there. 2 clones over there. Got Commander Cody. Some other clones. Got my lieutenant. Pretty cool. I've got 2 snowtroopers running out to the battle. I've got this guy looking through. Shush! And here I've got one of the Stormtrooper battle packs. 2 Rebel Scouts running out to the battle with Ahsoka, Tanu, and Anakin. You can't see them, just over there. Snowtrooper with a speeder. 4 bomb squad troopers up on the wall that's guarding where the Republic attack shuttle lands. See here, the Republic attack shuttle. Bomb squad trooper. Another snowtrooper guarding. Got Medela, who came up on the communicator, and Commander Gree and his company are standing around. Here we've got a Clone Walker station. You probably can't see it that well. Got 2 gunners up on there for normal clone. Gunner running upstairs. Turret, R2-D2 and R4. And yeah, that's the whole entire thing. Great, this is my upgraded scene. It's pretty cool. I'll just give you a bigger viewing. Yeah, over here I've got all my other stuff that I can use, those 3 speeders, those 2. Yeah. And then I've got these guys up here. Boy, these guys are actually really cool to have because you can use them as commandos and stuff with their shape, because they don't have a topping on their head, so you can use them as like awesome guys. So yeah, I think they're pretty cool. One of those. So that's all.